Do you feel like washing the vehicles? With an efficient 18-voltage handheld cordless pressure washer, which can operate self-suction smoothly. Just choose the YATO Cordless Tools pressure washer to make your life better. With these easy cleaning tools, the outlet pressure of the battery platform is 2.3 MPa. With its 6-meter-long water pipe and self-suction function, the water can be sucked directly from buckets, lakes or gardens. Range of application: automotive maintenance, power generation and public utility companies, water and electricity, woodworking and furniture industry, carpenters.